Today, I'm going to quickly go over the lipid bilayer, which is a topic in most biology classes, but especially in cellular biology. So right here, we have an easy, simple little description and picture of the lipid bilayer or the membrane. And so basically all it is a quote unquote bilayer. So bi means two, so we have two layers. And the reason why it looks so funny is because these outside little balls, they're called the heads, those love water. You see these waves here? That's to represent the aqueous environment that is both within the cell, aka the cytosol, and outside of the cell, right here. The inside of your body is not dry. And so these little heads love water because they're polar, just as you learn in your chemistry classes. So they're on the outside. On the inside are the hydrophobic tails because they're acids. And just like the song Oil and Water just doesn't mix from second grade, that does not do well with the aqueous environment both on the inside of the cell and the outside of the cell. So they form together in this lipid bilayer formation. This is an extremely stable state, and it's driven by hydrogen bonding, which is what is a super strong intermolecular force, and that's what makes it so stable. So some quick facts that you definitely need to have nailed down and memorized. And so it is selectively permeable to molecules and ions, meaning that it kind of acts as a bouncer of what can go in and out of the cell. It is spontaneous to form this shape. So the reason why it forms this capsule where the water-hating molecules are inside and the water-loving molecules are on the outside is because if you hate something, you want to be away from it. And so that's why they're on the inside. And it's so much more spontaneous to do that. And it's very unfavorable for something that hates water to be near water. It just doesn't make sense for it to be that way. And so these little guys, these phospholipids is what they're called, these individual units, can easily move within each leaflet. The black line, as you can see, is a depiction of the leaflet, aka each layer. So these little guys can freely move side to side, but it is extremely rare for this guy to move up to here and that guy to move down to there. Extremely rare. There are enzymes called flipases that can do that and make it a little bit more favorable, but that is a more complex topic for a different time. And so then cholesterol can also be in this membrane, which makes it stiffer. Typically, this is a very fluid membrane, as you normally hear the phrase fluid mosaic model. But if you have a cholesterol in there, that's just a firm structure. It's a four-ring structure, and it's going to make it not as easy to move. And so then the biggest word you need to know about the lipid bilayer is that it's amphipathic, aka meaning it has a hydrophobic side, aka the inside, and a hydrophilic side, the outside of this membrane. I hope that video was helpful and a quick little introduction or summary of the lipid bilayer for you. I'm a tutor at the Academic Success Center, and there is a host of tutors like myself making other videos and offering tutoring sessions. So if you want to look at more videos, please go to www.clemson.edu/ASC/. And if you want to sign up for free tutoring hours for both cell biology, biology, and courses beyond, please go through CU Navigate because we have plenty of appointments available. Thank you. Have a great day.